In this video, we cover the following topics. This overview illustrates the specialty mediums that are available for use with watercolor. Let's look at each one. There's iridescent medium, ox-gall, granulation medium, gum arabic, watercolor ground, cold wax, sizing medium, masking fluid, watercolor varnish, aquapasto, and blending medium. Check out the other videos located in my book, Comprehensive Watercolor, an interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor. Comprehensive Watercolor isn't just a book, it's a companion for your artistic journey. With detailed explanations, visual examples, and hundreds of videos, it meets you wherever you are in your watercolor adventure. Discover how watercolor works, why it behaves the way it does, and how you can harness its unique qualities to create stunning art. Comprehensive Watercolor offers a clear, approachable guide to mastering this beautiful medium. Take the next step in your watercolor journey and get your copy of Comprehensive Watercolor today. You'll find the links to purchase in the description below. The Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide covers virtually all the gear a watercolorist needs to begin a lifelong journey of watercolor painting and includes recommendations for gear like equipment, materials, supplies, tools, mixed media and more. This free guide accompanies the book, Comprehensive Watercolor, an interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor. Download your free copy of the Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide today by clicking the link located in the video description below or visiting mandikins.com. Thank you for watching. Tap the archer to subscribe and the bell to be notified when I post new content. To continue your watercolor journey, click a video from one of the playlists above.